the channel. We're here in my dad's shop for the last time ever. As you can see in the last video, we moved all my tools to my new house, but I tried taking the welder and he won't let me. So we're back in the shop. I need to, I got a crankcase vent problem with the 6.4. This is a temporary fix. This is a venturi fitting. You weld in the exhaust so the crankcase vent goes into the exhaust, and in theory it burns off by the time it reaches the tailpipe. We'll see. But the truck's getting old. It's got some blow-by. Thing runs great, but it's just getting worn out. So I actually did buy another short block for this truck that I intend on building, but for the time being, we're milking out what we got. I'm going through a lot of stuff right now with moving to the house and got a lot of work on the race truck. So we're milking this truck out until I have time and money to build the short block. So we're going to jump into it and show you guys what's involved with putting this venturi fitting in the exhaust to hook your crankcase vent up to.
Well guys, we ran into a slight problem already. All of Tyler's lights
are going.
Are over at the other shop.
Oh wait.
Oh, we have one?
I don't know if this works or not. We'll attempt it.
We'll make construction light, that'll work. Good enough.
It'll heat it up under there for us
anyway. Yeah, it gives it warm.
Brand new stainless exhaust. Look how shitty it looks already.
Yeah. Where'd you get it from? eBay?
Yeah.
Don't do it. We always bark about the Amazon eBay specials, but
well, I just wouldn't recommend a stainless exhaust system.
Cheap stainless.
Just get the regular aluminized. That's always worked great in the past, but sure enough, this was cheaper than the regular aluminized exhaust, and I guess I see why.
You're doing an awful good job wiping that pipe down.
Oh, I learned from the best. I have hung out with you for a while. Can tell you guys one thing. Never buy an exhaust with the U-bolt clamps, because you'll never get it apart like we just took this apart. These things are amazing.
Freeforms, band clamps.
Yep. If you ever need to take your exhaust apart, it actually comes apart. Look at that.
Would you just look at it?
So we cleaned up our welding surfaces here. We're just going to MIG weld it. It's going to be under the truck. No one's really going to see it. You can get a MIG weld to look half decent anyway. So yeah, we're going to get to it. We're going to take this and adapt it on here because our tube under the truck does not fit this massive. I don't know. That looks like 3/4 almost. Deck it down a little bit. Yeah, gonna hop into it. For here, we just did a bunch of tack welds. It's not really for strength. We're just don't want to burn through the metal. The exhaust tubing's thin metal. We're welding the stainless to mild steel anyway, so. But turned out half decent. Now we're gonna weld our reducer on here, get her down to the size we need, and slap it on the truck. Dave brought up a good point with this. He's like, well, why don't you just take a pipe and stick it in there? Well, I don't know. I probably could. But this fitting is made specifically for this. It creates a venturi effect, which actually sucks the crankcase exhaust gases into it. I would be worried if I just welded a pipe in there that it wouldn't be on the right angle, yada yada, where it would suck. Because if it doesn't just suck out, it would create negative pressure and shoot it back into the crankcase, which would be bad, very bad. So we just went with buying this fitting. It was $50. Absolute Performance makes it, so yeah, that's why I didn't just take a pipe in there and weld it.
Alright, so Tyler and I are going to do a little experiment here.
Yeah, we're going to Jeff up top start the truck, and I'm going to put my finger on here and see if this creates a vacuum like it's supposed to, or no. So we'll see what happens. I don't think it's going to be a lot, but hopefully enough I can feel it. If not, we'll have to get a lighter.
flame right in there in the exhaust. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's crazy that it works that well. We're here, waiting for Dave to come down. He's gonna drift this turn, he says. Got Jeff over there on the far end taking some videos, so we're gonna see how this goes for him. I don't know how much of a drift he got on that, but it looked kind of cool. Are you gonna redo it or not?
Try it.
Okay. Woo! He got her loose that time, boy. All right, to wrap up this install, we're gonna take this hose here, connect it to the fitting we put in the exhaust, and that'll be a done deal. Got to snip these cable ties and get this thing pulled back around the back side of the truck. We wrapped up the install in the crankcase venturi fitting. Hope you guys learned something from it. We're going to be doing more install videos and things like that, kind of how-to videos on how to do some of the stuff that we've been doing, get more involved with it. So we'll give you an update on this, how it works. But as you can see, the venturi sucked that flame right into the fitting, so I don't think we're going to have any problems at all with this. And get rid of the annoying blow-by smoke from under the truck. Should be awesome. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that bell, and yeah, we got more stuff coming your way.